Welcome to Vlog Shahi. Today I am going to show you anti-theft alarm lock. It's useful for your home, office, also for your vehicle security. Oh, it's heavy duty lock. Overall packing and product quality is looking good. As we know, Amazon is the best, so no issue with product and its quality. It's easy to open like this. And this is another side. You have to flip the lock bar. Now it's activated. And now see the magic. It's unbelievable noisy. Sound is too loud, but it's good for safety. Inside the lock there is a bunch of 6 batteries. I'll show you how to open it. Here is the batteries. By the way friends, the most important thing is the lock is totally waterproof and rust proof, so you can lock anything and anywhere. If this video is useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel Vlog Shahi on YouTube. Thank you friends. Have a good time.